Changing your insurance profile on Teladoc is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Teladoc website or open the Teladoc app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. This is usually found in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select insurance information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your insurance details. Enter your new insurance information, including the provider name, policy number, and any other required details. Double check for accuracy to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your insurance profile has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your insurance profile on Teladoc. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Teladoc customer support for assistance.